Hi guys, this is Sean. I'm out at the farm, and what I have been doing for the past week or so is getting everything ready, because for those of you who don't know, I'm going into the hospital tomorrow to get a pacemaker put in.
Well,
So what I'm doing now, what I've been doing this week, is I cleaned up all of the blocks, got them stacked up and took apart all the worm bins. Got them stacked up over here, got as many inside the building as I could as possible. And what we're going to do, we're going to have a building put up in this site in the next day or so. They're going to start on it. And the only thing that I have going now are these two worm bins that are active. And I had to move the dirt up and over here because we needed a little bit more room on this side, about 5 feet. So we got that done. I spent about a week doing this, and I got all the, and I'll show you what else we're working on. Just getting, if you follow me out here. Okay guys, we're up front, and what I've done today is I cleaned up all the tall grass around my cassavas, my black bamboo, my loquats, and my prickly pear, and my Peruvian apple cactus. Got that all cleaned up because I'll be laid up for a while. There's no telling when I'm going to get back to it. So I got that done. I'll show you what else I've been doing. Okay guys, we're on the other side of the front of the property by the garden, and during the hurricane we had a big oak tree that fell down, and what I have been doing is cutting it up into logs and cutting the branches up small enough so it could be hauled off, and also getting it off the fence. It crushed about 60 feet of fence out here, so I got that cut up into logs and ready to be hauled out. And I got it cleared up away from the fence so I can start doing some fence repair out here once I get on my feet again. So that's what I've been doing.